During the past few years, the Robotics leadership team has fostered and managed the rapid growth of competitive VEX robotics in St Vrain Valley School District to being at nearly every school in the district, reaching over 1,000 students annually. They have hosted over 20 tournaments every year, run professional development for new coaches, and provided support to schools beginning new programs. They have hosted multiple state tournaments and ensured that St Vrain Valley annually sends over 20 teams to the World Championships.
Been involved the last 4 years, but going back to when I was a student in St Vrain as well, I helped bring in kind of that VEX robotics as a student worker, having set up some of those tournaments, so working kind of every layer of it and recognizing that impact since then through now is really cool. The joy that comes from seeing that widespread impact has been what's hooked me in.
I had a teacher at Spangler Elementary that really connected with me, and that was ever since then I wanted to be, and they gave me a full ride scholarship to go to Metro, and I came back here to teach. I just love the education world. I've loved always wanting to be a teacher. We hire a lot of our high school students to run robotics tournaments for our students. So every Saturday starting in November to February, we have a robotics tournament at one of our schools in the district. Some of those high school students have never done robotics before, but they want to give back and they want to participate in it, and some have, and they're like, we can't be on a robotics team, but we still want to be in the robotics community, so they come to our team.
I think there's an aspect of social success, academic success that are both kind of highlighted through robotics. I think about the collaboration and teamwork that robotics teams have with one another and how that applies outwardly, how students are not only interacting with their peers in high intensity situations throughout the season, but how they're interacting with their coaches and mentors as well, and how that applies into the classroom, outside of the classroom, professionally and beyond.
I would say the students, seeing how the students react when their robot does something that they program to do, or they're driving it and they make the point that they want. You see the joy at every robotics tournament of the community coming together and cheering and supporting these students who spend like 4 to 5 hours a week trying to build and program this robot. And for me, that's enough to say, yes, this program is for the students.
The work that we are doing, whether that's teaching our students how to run a competition, helping coaches learn what robotics is from the ground up, it all trickles down to that student success, and student success and joy comes from that. What robotics offers as a platform for learning is really special. They don't just enhance a robotics club or a robotics class, they enhance every aspect of that student's education. And so I think remembering that this big public piece that is the competitions is kind of just that. It's that visual understanding of learning, whereas everything that's happening underneath is where real magic's happen.